Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw something beautiful and colorful, flowers. Get your black markers ready, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a circle in the middle. This will be the center of our flower. Next, draw the petals around the circle by making small half circles all around. Keep going until you've completed your flower. Great job! Now, let's draw another flower next to the first one. Start with a circle in the middle, then draw petals around it, just like we did before. Perfect! Wow! Now, let's draw the stems and leaves for both flowers. Draw a straight line down from each flower for the stems. Then, add some leaves by drawing little ovals or teardrop shapes along the sides of the stems. Our drawing is looking great. Cool! Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. This will make our flowers really stand out. Now it's time to bring our flowers to life with colors. Show your color pens. Let's start coloring, and I'll tell you the colors we're using. Brown color. Yellow color. Bottle green color. Green color. Orange color. Red color. Yellow color. Fantastic job, little artists! Your flowers look so beautiful and vibrant. Keep practicing and creating amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.